Besties, we got a large Dollar Tree haul, girls. 30. No, I think I spent $40, y'all, inside a Dollar Tree. But so basically, y'all know my mama's birthday is coming up August the 18th, and her favorite color is purple. So we got her this purple little table thingy. And then I got her a cake from Marble Slab Made. So I got her this purple plates. And then basically I got me this pink extension cord. Do I need one? No, but we got it because it's pink and it's $1. So I needed some more baby oil, y'all. Okay, so I usually buy the Walmart one basically, but I bought the one in the green bottle, and at Walmart all they had was the purple bottle. So I got this one from Dollar Tree, y'all, because if you don't add baby oil to your lotions, what are you doing? Then basically, look what I found, y'all. I hope this smells good. I got this Kind Candy scrub with vitamin B, A, C, and E, and with collagen, y'all. And y'all know I love anything Kind Candy. Since I was about to try that. Basically, then I want to try this out, y'all. I found the off-brand, what it's called, y'all know, but it is the GLaDOS Scented Edge. Y'all know what I'm saying, but I got that. I got me another lipstick to try out from Dollar Tree, girl. Stop, bestie. They got these body sprays. When the Dollar Tree have body mist, y'all, and if these smell good, we gotta put each other on. So I got this lavender one. I have not smelled these, y'all. I saw these. I was like, I got to grab these for $1. So I got the lavender one. I will say I love the little gold packaging. No shade. This English rose color. I don't know if one busted. No, like one was kind of leaking a little bit, bestie. Okay, bestie. Then they had this another one, y'all. It's called Summer Breeze, y'all. Then I think I picked up one more, y'all. Bestie, okay. Then basically they had this orange blossom body wash, y'all, and I don't have no plain orange body washes, y'all. I don't have no plain orange body wash, so oranges, y'all. I grabbed. Hey, bestie. Then I grabbed some plastic forks as well, bestie. And then basically this caught my eye so fast, y'all. This is gonna be my 4th toothbrush ever, y'all. They got this bamboo, and what caught my attention was like the little bamboo and the white bristle, y'all. I had to grab that, bestie. Then I bought this little like spray bottle, y'all, because with my like body oil, I like to like spray it on my body because it makes it more fancy and you don't put like too much oil out, basically. And then I found this new tropical plastic, girl. You know I had to try it out, basically. And then I found this raw shea butter soap, y'all. It's supposed to compare to the Shea Moisture raw soap, y'all, but I had to try this out, basically. And then the last thing I got, basically, was this juicy watermelon lip oil, bestie. But girl, comment down below, girl, have you found any of the new Dollar Tree dupes, bestie?